Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal cookies at home. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You will need 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, gather 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Finally, have 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 cups of rolled oats on hand. Consider adding 1 cup of raisins. Now let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until light and fluffy. Beat in the 2 eggs one at a time, then stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in the 3 cups of rolled oats and any optional mix-ins. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. This allows them to spread without touching. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Keep a close eye on them to prevent overbaking. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your cooled oatmeal cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 5 days. They also freeze well for longer storage. And hey, if you're looking for great ways to store your delicious creations, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.